Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Scout 175 Sportfish. Starting with the profile of the boat, this has the gorgeous rascal blue hull color. White rub rail stainless steel insert is standard. Boat's packaged with a magic tilt trailer. You see we have the bimini top option on this boat. As part of the sports package, which also includes the bow cushion and the trolling motor plug, we've got a Fusion Bluetooth stereo with 4 speakers, 2 in the bow and 2 in the cockpit. Removable cooler seat with a built-in backrest. Storage inside the console and room for batteries, including your trolling motor batteries. We've got 2 rear quarter seats, rod holders along the aft end, which can also hold some optional rear backrests that slide and snap in. We've got a 90 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha, swim platform to the port side with a 2-step ladder. And this is the optional reversible pilot seat that has a backrest with multiple locking positions. So you can face aft or have it serve as a leading post. Here at the helm, we've got digital gauges from Yamaha, an adjustable tilt steering wheel with a steering knob, lockable glove box with charging ports for your devices. You can mount your electronics on top of the console, or you can actually mount them inside here and slide this door off. Here's our stereo head unit. We've got cup holders that are plumbed and drained, battery switch, we've got an adjustable footrest, rod holders on the starboard side. Here's one final walk around of the boat. Great family boat, great fishing boat, very versatile for the Charleston waters. And here's a nifty little feature. So getting on and off the boats can sometimes be a little more challenging with a splash wheel. Scout has a dedicated boarding and reboarding step on both sides. One on the port side leads you right to the swim platform. So it's really easy to get on and off this boat. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always visit us online at marinemax.com. Thank you.